Updating your payment information on Chase Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your details are current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Chase Bank website or open the Chase mobile app. Enter your username and password to log into your account securely. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Once logged in, locate the Payments or Payment Settings section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your payment methods. Step 3. Select Payment Method. In the Payment Settings, find the option to update your payment method. You may see options for credit/debit cards, bank accounts, or other payment types. Step 4. Update your information. Choose the payment method you want to update. Enter the new information such as card number, expiration date, or bank account details, and ensure everything is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm the deadline. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily update your payment information with Chase Bank. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting customer support for assistance.